How to delete all your history on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all your history on Facebook. It's so easy and quick to delete all your search history, groups, likes, comments, posts you have ever shared, all your history on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. Scroll down until you find your time on Facebook. Now click on see time. Click on see activity log. Now click on this is all your history on Facebook. From manage your posts, your tags, your interactions, your groups, communities, events, information, connection, logged action. You can just click on trash and delete all your activities on Facebook. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.